So friend, Samsung Galaxy S25 family is not complete without the S25 Edge. The slim smartphone has been teased a couple of times already, including allowing eyes-on access to it, but it's still not be fully unveiled despite the tons of rumors and leaks we have seen about it lately. Thankfully, the wait is almost over. Samsung has now announced that it will make the Galaxy S25 Edge fully official on May 13 at 9 am Korea time, which is 5 pm on May 12 in California, 8 pm on May 12 in New York, 1 am on May 13 in London, 2 am in Berlin and Paris, and 5:30 am in India. The official invite we received says the Galaxy S25 Edge is more than a slim smartphone with every curve, contour and component, reflecting a breakthrough in precise engineering to create a premium experience worthy of the S series name. And it also embodies the ultimate camera experience with its much rumored and now confirmed 200 megapixel main sensor, which continues Galaxy's iconic camera experience, delivering pro-grade capabilities to intuitively capture the world around you. And of course, the phone will have a ton of AI features which we already know and love from other members of the S25 family. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.